I was late to our call this morning, ish, I guess, because I got a package and our toaster broke. And I thought it was a giant package. And I thought it was the toaster. But we also, our house was smelling the other day, so I ordered like a couple air fresheners. Well, turns out I didn't look at the description too much. And I ordered this many air fresheners. So I had to bring this enormous box in of air fresheners. Guess how much all this was, though? Guess how much all this was?
I have no idea.
$12. It's Snuggle, the bear.
So,
Snuggle. Not an official sponsor of Instagram workshops by Tricycle Creative. All right, so let's recap what we learned from our first session and time together.
That would be very helpful to me.
Okay, yeah. We created your Instagram account, right?
Greetings for everyone.
Greetings for everyone. Good plug. Good job. We set up
greetings.
The number 4.
Everyone.
We set your profile. We spent way too much time attempting to set your profile photo. And what?
I did it.
We did it. We got it done.
I did it afterwards.
You did it. At some point it got done. Whatever. We attempted to, it got done. So today what we're going to do, we're going to continue down the posting route with some alternate ways to post on Instagram. You see there's an arrow. There's arrows that are pointing to each other in a circle. What do you think that does?
I think it rotates the picture.
Good guess, but no. It flips your camera from selfie camera to forward-facing camera. Little like square windows below the photo, right? Probably says something like Clarendon and Gingham and Moon and whatnot. Those are filters for your photo. Okay? This is what made Instagram very popular, very cool, is this filters. These like built-in filters that mimic old style film in some cases, or just have really cool color profile. Okay. So the idea would be, though, is if you're going to use hashtag, and now hashtags philosophically, right? You want it to be applicable to what you're posting, but it's also part of like, hey, you're almost entering this into a larger discussion. But in the interest of best practices, right? I was thinking something to the effect of like, here's a card I made recently, to promote or, in light of, how about this? Here's a card I made recently in light of hashtag social distancing. Okay. Now, are you ready? You want to hit share?
And I also put it on Facebook.
Sure. That's fine if you like. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Okay. You want to go ahead and hit share?
Oh my gosh, there's Tumblr and Twitter too.
Yeah, we're not doing those. We're definitely not going to, well, maybe. I don't know. Probably not.
Okay, just
You're definitely not going on Tumblr. The kids aren't even on Tumblr anymore.